Watch how I'm gonna turn this deck into this from this. Welcome to the video. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope I show you something that you might want to try. I don't know. I don't even know if I'm doing it right. So we're just gonna go from there. I'm really kind of just diving into this. I haven't done a lot of research. I don't know what stain I'm gonna use. All I know is pressure wash it and get it sanded. That's all. Right now the plan is, because I got a grill, table, a bunch of stuff on the deck, I'm gonna take all that off, and then I'm gonna whip out the pressure washer and we'll give it a good cleaning. We'll let it dry for a couple days, and then we'll get straight into sanding. There's a good bit of stuff on here. The deck is pressure washed. It looks really good. I was honestly kind of surprised on how dirty it was, but got everywhere I possibly could. Now I'm gonna let this dry for a couple days, and then we'll get straight into sanding. Probably hours and hours of sanding. I'm not really stoked about it. The deck is really nice and dry now. Luckily I've had no rain the last 2 days, but after seeing everything dry, the pressure washing did a really good job. Not too bad. Looks really good. I'm super stoked with it. I'm gonna get the sander out right now, and then I'm just gonna start getting after it. Hopefully this won't take too long. I just have a small little strip right there by the house, and then the whole entire walking area will be done, and then we'll start taking off all these little strips and then getting into that fine detail sanding. Hopefully I got like another day or two of sanding. It would be nice to be done today, but we'll see. We'll see how far I get. We'll see how tired I get at the same time too. All right, I will see you guys when the sanding is done. Completely done. Tired of it already. All right, bye. That basically wraps up majority of the sanding. I just got to take my detail sander, get into little cracks and all that, just the fine detail stuff, and then sanding will be done. I managed to take all these strips off, and I'm glad I did this, even though I was saying it was going to be more work. It's going to pay off, because we're actually going to stain these black, and then this will be the more brown, darker color. I will show you a picture up here somewhere of kind of like the inspiration of what we're trying to do. This is where it starts coming more towards the end of the project, and it's exciting. I'm gonna start staining the strips, these strips here. I got all the black strips done. Took longer than I expected, went through a lot more stain than I thought, but I'm about 4 hours into staining just the strips. But it's just tedious because they're all the same. You gotta get the whole entire thing. So I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. That section is for this. That section's for that part, and then all of these are for that side over there. It's all over me, and glad I put this drop cloth down. That thing is going in the trash now. Now I'm going to start staining the railings first, and then I'll get to the deck. I'm gonna work from the top to the bottom. We'll just see how it goes. Yeah, this is where it all comes down to the end. The only thing to do now is to get to it. So I'm gonna start staining, and then I'll see you guys when I'm done. Half the railing's done. I'm super stoked about it. Honestly, I really can't wait to see what the whole deck looks like. I really can't wait to get these board strips back on and see what it looks like. Anyway, that's a wrap for today. I'm gonna get back to it tomorrow. There's the whole railing. All done. Had a bunch of spills, you can see there. Not the cleanest, but it's gonna work out pretty good. I'm really, really liking how this is turning out. That is what the strips kind of look like. Definitely gonna be a dark deck for the house since the house is light, but I think that's okay because the old stain that used to be on this deck was like the super red stain, and I'm sure when that looked new and it was like freshly painted on the deck, it probably made the house look a little weird just because it's, you know, darker versus a light house. But we were talking about it last night. We like it so far. Now it's just a matter of seeing what it's going to look like at the end of it. Done. I gotta wait at least, I'm probably gonna wait 2 to 3 days until I can step on it, just because I want the stain to cure and dry properly. But as you can see, I like it. I think it turned out pretty good. I was a little hesitant about the color, just because I thought it was too dark compared to the house, but with it completely finished, I like it. I don't think it looks bad at all. If you want to support me more, please subscribe down below, like this video, comment, do whatever you want to do. This is the first video of home improvement to my channel. Like I said in my previous video, I got a lot more coming out, so I hope you guys stick around for that. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you guys on the next one.